Sabi mo ito. Nakakita ka.
Ito kasi, ito yung tinakong zero ba eh? Sana. Malapit na ngayon.
Ayan.
Yung gandaan na naman po. Nadalat ko ng
Easy. When is your mom's birthday? When is your mom's birthday?
I'm recording. I'm recording.
When is your birthday? Your mom's birthday.
Me?
Your mama?
Hindi ka marap?
How about you? When is your birthday?
September 12, 2020.
Pantaulo ngayon, September. Dakot.
September man eh. September 12.
Oh, 12? Ay, sorry.
Hindi rin bubuong bata.
Pantaulo ngayon. Sige, after yung badminton, makanta natin ako.
Sa ngayon, sa baka ng dayon.
Sing back ka.